Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Little bit, ma'am, but I understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am, 100%.
Okay, do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am, my sister is work Malaysia.
How many years your sister working here?
7 months, ma'am.
Sorry?
7 months.
7 months. So is your sister also under Sir Jazz or
Agent.
under Good Day or other
Yes, ma'am.
agency?
Under the agency. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Your agency, ma'am.
can I know who is your sister?
I am Dailin.
Oh,
I
okay.
she sa
Oh,
Kumanis mag
okay. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? Because they got a higher salary than here in Malaysia.
I will call no salary deduction, ma'am.
No salary deduction. Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day. I'm Adiji Maghanoy. I'm 35 years old and I'm single, Roman Catholic. I live in Gigo City, Davao del Sur. My birthday is September 21, 1987, and my height is 5'2". My weight is 54 kilograms. I am elementary level,
Okay, so you are single mother or married?
single mother.
Okay, so how many children do you have?
Yes, ma'am, my two kids, ma'am, all boy. My boy is 17 of age. My small baby is 13 of age.
So who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here in Malaysia? Who will going to take care of these children? Sorry?
Partner,
Your
my partner.
sorry?
My live-in.
So you are not a single mother. You are single with live-in partner.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your live-in partner occupation and how old is he?
My live-in partner, ma'am, is 39 years old.
How old is he?
39, ma'am.
I sorry, what is his
She
occupation?
she is Capgo,
Okay,
ma'am.
so you work in your biodata. It was stated that you have a working experience in Kuwait for 7 months. You didn't finish your contract. Why? What happened?
Because I work to the Kuwait, overwork, and no food, and my salary is not enough.
Didn't give your salary.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment in Kuwait? What are your responsibilities? What did you do there?
Go all around, ma'am.
Okay, and then?
Cleaning, cooking, iron. I take my children.
So did you do laundry also?
Yes, ma'am.
How old
All
is the
around.
okay, how old is the children that you take care?
3 years old and 1 year old, ma'am.
Sorry, 8 years old and 1 year old?
Years old and 1 year old, ma'am.
1 year old and 6 years old.
3 years old.
1 year old and 3 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you know that being a domestic helper is very tough, okay? You need to be flexible because you already experienced it in Kuwait. There is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only, okay? Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have a 2 years contract, okay? In Kuwait, you didn't finish your contract, but here in Malaysia, you need to finish your contract. Otherwise, you need to compensate, okay? Once you
Yes,
breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences for you. You need to compensate the employer and at the same time with the agency. Nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
yes, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness? Like for example, if you miss your family?
Move up. I understand. I will. I call to my family, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, you will call to your family. So, usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but you are allowed to use it during nighttime only, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If we found out that you cannot cope up your job on the next morning, then very sorry to say, we will inform your employer to allow you to use your handphone during nighttime for 2 to 3 hours only, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
On your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. If you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I don't want later that you will going to say about all our terms and conditions. Yes, ma'am, I agree. After that, once come to work here in Malaysia, different story already. No such a thing, okay? Because in our initial interview, we already clarify it and to make you understand what is our rules and regulations, and you also agree with it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as long as you respect the employer, follow the rules and regulations, we don't have problem. You will be working inside the employer's premises for 2 years. Any problems, any concerns, you inform your employer, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
This is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we might be the boss as I have mentioned many times already. We need to humble ourselves because this is not the Philippines. We are not the boss here. So respect and follow the rules and regulations of the employer, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. I agree.
Bye.